what up? Let's get straight into a little trade recap. Gonna be a quick one because I have to eat. But let's just dive straight into it. Coming into the morning was leaning a little bullish, just because of the fact that our higher time frame structure was kind of going bullish, and we were very close to approaching internal buy side liquidity levels. But right before market open, we came up, took out equal highs on ES, so there was no longer a bearish SMT. And then at market open, we saw fake out both sides, trade lower on NQ and ES, both trade down, taking this internal 1 minute wick low here. At this point, I'm like, okay, price may want to draw towards data low. I was looking at this internal range here with this model, this 1 minute fair value gap here. Price may want to draw towards internal low, and obviously, as we can see, that is what ended up happening, at least on ES. Literally had this trade marked up, but I came into the day more bullish than bearish, so yeah, I missed that, but we'll kind of get into that right now. Come down, this whole trade idea could have been avoided because I based it off of a very funky 1 minute SMT, like basically a non-existent SMT where it's not even obvious enough to point it out. So I'm like, okay, that's the whole reason I want to take the trade. So obviously it didn't end up working out. We come up, displace up above this 1 minute invert or 1 minute bearish fair value gap, turning it into a 1 minute bullish inverse. Create a market structure shift here, have my limit here. Boom, we see this big rejection lower. At this point, I should have realized, okay, this trade's probably cooked. And also the trade should have never been taken because of the SMT. SMT literally was non-existent, and I need an SMT to take my trades. So yeah, there's that, and then boom, thought we may get something, then we came back up, kept tapping into this 1 minute inverse, and then with this candle fully wicked it. Remember, wicks see the damaged bodies tell the story. Wicked above, and then boom, strong body close. Then we move lower, displacing down to and through our stop loss. Looking over here to ES. Honestly, not upset I didn't take the short, just because I was leaning more bullish coming into the morning. But again, today either should have been a no trade day or the short, because the SMT I took was non-existent. For me to get involved, I need to see an SMT. In this case, we took this low on both ES and NQ, and then there was nothing significant in this internal range right here, but I still decided to take it, so not a good long there from ya boy. And then looking over at the short, really the only confluence for this short, at least in my model, maybe it would have been like an SMT like this, and realizing, okay, we just tapped into a higher time frame 1 minute for value, probability of going lower. But again, I was so married to the bullish bias, I couldn't even see that this was a potential trade. But yeah, fast trade recap, down 230 times 6, which is like 1400. It's all good. Coming into tomorrow, just want to be more clear-headed. Still was sick today. I'm not blaming the loss on being sick, but it would be dope to like actually be able to sleep and breathe through my nose. But it's chill. Still up on the week like 2R. So yeah, trade would have freaking banked on ES here. It would have printed, made like 700 or something. But it is what it is, man. Came into the day bullish buys. Thought I saw an SMT. Kind of just wanted to get involved. Could have wanted 2R, low hanging fruit here, but ended up not being a true entry. Shouldn't have been taken, and really shouldn't have beat myself up about this either. Only thing is that higher time frame SMT was still intact. Way over here, where ES has been above it for a while, while NQ is trading to get anywhere near it, or failing to get anywhere near it. So yeah, looks like the trade for today was a short, so kind of tripped myself up with the daily buys, thinking we were going to want to draw higher, but that's on me, obviously. Moving forward, just want to be more fluid, recognizing what and when price wants to do things. And yeah, that's all I got for today. Gonna learn from this and move on, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.